Um, I really enjoyed this. Actually, both of us are from Nepal, Rameshji and I am from Nepal. Rameshji is a new immigrant over here, and it is time to contribute in this community too. And I really, this is your contribution coming to this studio and giving us enlightenment about Nepal and Nepal's political scenario. This is really, as I'm a community developer, I think this is, you gave us this valuable time. I would like to thank you.
Thank you very much, Ajit.
For this.
Thank you for giving me a chance to speak a few words. And thank you very much.
Yeah, it is very helpful for us, and particularly I'm very glad to invite people from Nepal or people from the Somerville community. It doesn't have to be particular citizen of any country or particular ethnicity of any country. Anybody is welcome to come here. Will you come again if I invite you to contribute to this community?
It's okay. It's not a problem for me because it's an opportunity to serve the community, I think. And it's one way. So thank you very much for giving me an opportunity, to serve the community. Thank you very much. And it's a pleasure for me to be here with you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
त्यहाँ पनि सिद्धेश त्यहाँ त आइरहेको थियो है तपाईँले याद गर्नुभयो मैले नै याद गर्नु बिर्सेछु
त्यो नहुँदा के हुन्छ
होइन त्यहाँ त्यो चाहिँ लाइभ सोको हो
ए आएको थियो क्या अरे मैले यादै गरेँ
मैले आएको थियो सुरुमा
कस्तो आयो है अब त्यो राम्रै होला
यहाँ जस्तो त्यस्तै
टेप कहाँ हुन्छ त्यो
हो यहाँ
एकचोटि यसो हेर्न मिल्छ
अब
जस्ट फर फ्यु मिनट्स त राम्रै हो प्रोग्राम
गर्नुपर्ने बिर्सेछु